The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for west central Galveston County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, until 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:53 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Liverpool, Oregon, 7 miles southwest of Alvin, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near southwestern League City, Friendswood, Alvin, Santa Fe, and Hillcrest around 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.